All right, wow, the news keeps on breaking. Things keep getting crazier and crazier. So let's just explain quickly in case you need reference for this. So if we are on our schedule, AP and regular, you're going to see this where it says urgent change, declassified conversation. Go ahead and click on that, and it does say make a copy family, so you are going to move this in your family shared drive because you're all going to work on it together in that little family of yourself. So what we're going to look at here is the declassified telephone conversation between President Trump and the President of Ukraine, Zelensky. Whoa, this is breaking news. But you're going to ask first, how the heck do we get that? Okay, so go into your shared drive, and you'll notice there is a tab that says Documents next to whatever period you're in. Go ahead and double-click it and open it up. Boom, it opens up there. So what you'll see here is, as we scroll down, this is the newly unclassified, which once at one point was secret, but now it has been declassified thanks to President Trump on September 24th. Each particular zone of colors is going to correspond to that letter that you're doing, okay? Very simple. You're going to have a statement, from the president, and you're going to have a statement from President Zelensky of Ukraine. So what you're going to do is you are going to follow the directions like it says. You're going to write a quick summary in both of the columns for each president. Then you're going to put an X which one you think it is. Is it a good thing, what is being said, or is it a bad thing? Meaning, almost, is it illegal, is it wrong, that type of thing. Okay? Very simple. I understand there are 6 parts. I get that. There's only 4, maybe 5 of you sometimes. Just finish it. Someone do the work. And at the end, follow it, answer the question. But this is breaking news. This is massive. I can't even believe we get to study government like this. So, read through it, get it done. That way we can talk about it more, but we got to get to the bottom of this. That is this an impeachable offense, or is this not? So we're living government. Good luck. If you need anything, always reach out to me. All right. Bye.